Good day, this is Thursday the 12th of June. Did you ever wonder whether God really sees you? In God's economy, every person counts, literally. In Numbers chapter 1 from verse 1 to the end of chapter 4, God commands Moses to take a census of the Israelite men, tribe by tribe, name by name. This was not just head counting, this was head lifting. That's what the word census means. The census rosh in Hebrew means to lift the head. So when God counts his people, he recognizes faces, destinies, and callings. Every person matters. Every place, including yours, has a purpose. And still, that census principle remains. God lifts the heads of his people. You're not lost in the wilderness of buried in the divine spreadsheet. You're known. Isaiah 43 verse 1 says, "But now Israel, the Lord who created you says, do not be afraid, for I have ransomed you. I have called you by name. You are mine." It's not the head counting, it's a name. And verse 4 says, "Others died that you might live. I traded their lives for yours because you are precious to me. You are honored and I love you." Wonderful, isn't it? So lift up your head. The Lord our God, he sees you, he sees everybody. And please know that you count in the eyes of the Lord. May God bless you. Amen.